Yeah, the flood soaked all the room, all the stuff, the furniture, computer, everything. Yeah, we're back from dinner, and my dog, I have one dog, two cats. They're just standing on the wall, you know, and I swimming from there to save them. I live in a friend's house right now. Yeah, I'm seeking for a new house. Nothing to save, except the pets. It's nothing to save. There's an entrance. They are family. They can't escape. The flood was push the door and they cannot open. The whole street, first floor, all flooded.
Of the New York homes ravaged by Hurricane Ida almost 2 weeks ago, one of the worst struck areas was one block in Queens. Every home on 153rd Street and Peck Avenue had been devastated by the hurricane, leaving families with an uncertain future.
Well, I'm a staff on Tzu Chi, but when I heard about this street is like a couple of my friends, one day just grabbed me to come here to do some food distribution. I'm going to take you guys to the house next. This is where the Chinese immigrants live. The water went up at least here for this house. She tried to run down the street, but the water quickly went up to her nose. And then she has to drag another person trying to go to safety. So right now, she's staying in this house and it's still wet. And then you can smell all the mold and everything. And then they still don't have gas services. So a lot of people that still haven't been taking showers ever since the flood, and then they cannot cook. So food is a huge issue here. Sometimes they get like donated food. These are frozen food. Those are frozen food. They cannot even heat it up. And the landlord is trying to push them out to go somewhere else. They don't have any place to go. We're trying to get the community knows about this and then to provide bigger and more comprehensive help.
Today we're going to have a distribution again because the victim area is really huge. A lot of people, they still need the help. First day distribution on Wednesday, after we pre-screening, we have a total 26 families get the help. Then today, after our pre-screening, it's coding like more than 100 families. After we screening, then today we have 50 families.
住在 Peck Avenue 153带去08的贝斯门。我的家里面什么都没了，床也没了，所有的衣服啊全泡在水里。 包括这个单车2个都泡在水里。我第2天我再去清理的时候，就碰到你们慈济的那个阿姨，她就打电话跟那个经理说：“你现在马上去慈济给我300块。”所以我那个时候非常的感动啊，真的。我那时候一无所有啊，啃了一个面包，用那个水喝的，是邻居给我的。 太长了。
I can show you another picture. That is the stairs to going out. You see the water level is almost to the ceiling, right? They distribute us like $1,000 debit card. So we're gonna use this to buy the mattress, the bed, like rice cooker, for everything that we need.
这里面是1000这样，慢慢的拿去给小孩那个租房的这样子，然后买个桌椅这样。
今天来，他又给了我300块，就买一点吃的，囤一点吃的。
Yeah, this is the blanket and with the face mask. Yeah, that's so considerate, right? We even have this.
It's really great, helping people everywhere. Great people. Thanks a lot.